Sekuphele iminyaka eyishumi umxolisi Dukwana engazihlanganisi nezombusazwe. Ubuye uma esebekwa njengomgqugquzeli wamalunga ngamashumi 40 ekomiti lesikhashana le-ANC kulesifundazwe ngoNhlaba ngonyaka u-2021. Wayefuna ukuphosela inseleleke uMagashule esikhundleni esikhulu seqembu ngo-2012. uDukwana manje wehlule undunankulu wase-Free State uSisi Ntombela esikhundleni sokuba usihlalo. Uthole amavoti angu-346 kwathi uNtombela wathola angu-306. Amalunga angeneme anemibuzo ngobuqotho bemiphumela.
Those people, how are we going to rally behind them because they will not fairly elected. So once you are not fairly elected, how are we going to support you?
Ukhetho Magume uqokwe njengephini likaSihlalo emva kokwehlula wengusihlalo uThabo Manyoni. Owayengunobhala wesifunda iThabo Mafutsanyana, uPoletiso Mthwening uqokwe njengonobhala wahlula uPaseka noMpondo. Uzedibulelo Mhlatsi we-Young Communist League uqokwe njengephini likanobhala. Owayengusihlalo wesifunda ilejwe lephutsa uMathabo Lieto wehlule lo owayengusotswebhu we-ANC esifundazweni uVusi Shabalala.
I want to congratulate him and wish him luck. And I also want to say to him, he must try by all means to make sure that he unites the Free State, because we are left with a few months for us to go to the elections.
Let's congratulate the new elected leadership. We must know that what has won here is the ANC, it's not us as individuals. We must just appreciate that we fought a good fight in terms of our political differences.
Kwaphazamiseka ukuqala kwengqungquthela ngenxa yempikisho. Kuboshwe amalunga amaningana ngolwesihlanu emva kokuthola phezulu namaphoyisa.
Some of us South Africans, we just wish that the ANC in this province will do right by the residents, not only of the Free State but of South Africa, in going back to the basics. And going back to the basics is to try and unite this glorious organization.
Zonke izikhundla ezisihlanu bezibangwa. Kwangekho ke ukubanga kobuholi eziqungqutheleni eziphakathi konyaka u-2012 no-2018.